In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to contact customer service on Trading 212. Whether you're encountering an issue with your account or you simply have some questions, reaching out to Trading 212 support is straightforward and easy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it on your device's app store. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the main menu. This menu is your gateway to all features and settings within the app, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't yet. Now, as you scroll through the main menu, your goal is to find either the Help Center or the Contact Us option. This may be located towards the bottom of the menu, so make sure you scroll down until you see it. The Help Center is a valuable resource, offering a wealth of information, frequently asked questions, and guides that can often address common concerns. Once you've found the Help Center or Contact Us, tap on it. This will lead you to a new screen where you can initiate a live chat with Trading 212's support team. The live chat feature is an excellent way to get real-time assistance, and it allows you to describe your issue or question in detail, ensuring that the support team can provide you with the most accurate and helpful information. One tip to make the most out of your live chat experience is to have any relevant information handy before you start the chat. This might include your account details or a brief description of the issue you're facing. The more details you can provide, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you swiftly and effectively. And just like that, you're all set to contact Trading 212 customer service. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that any problems or questions you have are addressed promptly. Remember, the support team is there to help, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also benefit from knowing how to contact Trading 212 customer service. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.